Why does your scanner show the P0019 engine code? What does it mean? P0019 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft position, camshaft position correlation bank 2 sensor B. This engine code indicates that the crankshaft and camshaft on the exhaust side bank 2 sensor B of the engine. This means the engine's computer has detected that the crankshaft and camshaft are not rotating in sync, which can lead to various performance problems. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: timing chain belt, camshaft and crankshaft sensors, variable valve timing system, other potential issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Subaru and GM General Motors. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.